Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday, we have completed one problem on shortest distance between two skew lines, right? Today, let me discuss some more problems on the same concept, shortest distance between skew lines. I hope you are having more than three, that means four problems are there in that exercise. Yesterday we have completed one, okay? And now write down another problem which is in Cartesian form. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Find the shortest distance between the lines. X plus 1 by 7 is equals to y plus 1 by minus 6 is equals to z plus 1 by 1 and x minus 3 by 1 is equals to y minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to z minus 7 by 1. You require to find out the shortest distance between these two skew lines, right? What is the formula concerned to that shortest distance if Cartesian form has been given to you? D is equals to det of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 upon root over. I have given you b1, c2 minus b2, c1 whole square plus a1, b2 minus a2, b1 whole square plus c1, a2 minus c2, a1 whole square. Right? This is the shortest distance between two lines if Cartesian form has been given to you. Okay? Now, first of all, you should get all those values by comparing these two lines. Okay? A1 value is 7, B1 is minus 6, C1 is equals to 1. A2 1, B2 minus 2, C2 1. X1, X2, X1, Y1, Z1 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. X2, Y2, Z2 3, 5, 7. I hope you understood this. Now observe, I am going to write all the values here. Here given lines. I am going to compare this line with x minus x1 by a1. So x1 value is equals to minus 1. Okay. Y minus y1 means minus of minus 1. Y1 is equals to minus 1. Z1 value is also minus 1. A1 value or x2 value is equals to 3. Y2 is equals to 5. Z2 is equals to 7. A1 is equals to 7. B1 minus 6. C1 1. A2 is equal to 1. B2 is equal to minus 2. C2 is equals to 1. Right? I am going to repeat this step. Why? Because this is lengthy. It takes time. Okay? It takes time. Do the problem very slowly. First of all, you should compare this with x minus x1 by a1. X1 value is equals to minus 1. Why? Because you should write this one as x minus of minus 1, right? Y minus of minus 1. Z minus of minus 1. Okay. So x1, y1, z1 is equals to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. x2, y2, z2 values a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. After that, find out the value of the determinant. What is the det? Therefore, det of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, Z2 minus Z1. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 value is equals to det of, okay, x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus 1, which is equals to 4. Observe, x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus 1, 4. 5 minus of minus 1, 6. 7 minus of minus 1, 8. Understood? Similarly, A1, 7. B1 minus 6. C1, 1. A2, 1. B2 minus 2. C2, 1. You expand this one, you are going to get the value is equals to minus 116, I think, because this is the standard problem which we were doing. If you do this, you are going to get minus 116, right? After that, apply in this formula, you are going to get D is equals to, this is positive mod of minus 116 upon, observe now, root over B1 C2. What is B1 value given there? Minus 6 into 1 B1 C2 minus 6 minus B2 C1 minus of minus, which is equals to plus 2 whole square, plus A1 B2 minus 14, okay, plus 6 whole square, plus C1 A2 1 A2 1 minus C2 A1 7 whole square. That means you are going to get mod 116, okay, upon root of the same. I think you are going to get, observe, this is 16, okay, this is 64, okay, this is 36, same value, root 116. Simplify this one, you are going to get the answer. I am going to repeat this entirely once again. You copy this one, I am going to repeat parallel, okay. Compare the given line with x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1. x1, y1, z1 values are minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. x2, y2, z2 values are 3, 5, 7. Right? A1, B1, C1 values are 7, minus 6, 1. A2, B2, C2 are this. And find the determinant. Why? Because the shortest distance formula when Cartesian equations given to you is this. Right? Now, apply all the values in the formula, you are going to get the answer. Copy this one. As the distance should not be negative, I took modulus for that one. You are going to get 29 into 4. That means 2 root. You can write this one as root of 116, which is equals to 2 root 29 units. Why? Because 29 4s are 116 you are going to get. I hope you have copied that. From the distance, it is looking as minus 111. That is the determinant value. It is minus 116. This value is looking as 111. This is 116. Okay. Now take down the next problem. Find the shortest distance. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Find the shortest distance between the lines. R bar is equals to, once again he is going to give you in vector form. I plus 2j plus 3k, I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar plus lambda into I minus 3j plus 2k, I minus 3j plus 2k. This is one line given to you, and R bar is equals to 4i bar plus 5j bar plus 6k bar plus mu into 2i plus 3j plus k bar. How to do this? Yesterday we have done same type of problem. Yesterday we have done same type of problem by comparing the given line with R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar, and R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu into B2 bar. After that, we should find out, first of all, write down the question. I am going to discuss how to do the problem. I hope you wrote this one, right? First of all, compare the given lines with R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar, A1 lambda B1, A2 bar plus lambda mu B2 bar. After that, you should find out B1 cross B2 bar. After that, you should find out magnitude of that B1 cross B2. After that, you should find A2 bar minus A1 bar. After completion of that, you should apply in the formula magnitude of B1 bar cross B2 bar dot A2 bar minus A1 bar upon mod B1 cross B2. This is the shortest distance formula, right? So, first of all, before starting the problem itself, you should know, that means you should have an idea on the formula. In the formula, you need to find A2 minus A1, B1 cross B2, and also magnitude. Okay. So first of all, after comparing, I am going to get A1 bar is equals to I plus 2j plus 3k, where A2 bar is equals to I minus 3j plus 2k, B1 bar is equals to 4i plus 5j plus 6k, B2 bar is equals to 2i plus 3j plus k. Right? Now, find out B1 bar cross B2 bar, like I, j, k, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 1, which is equals to I bar into 5 minus 18 minus j bar in 4 minus 12, right, plus k bar into 12 minus 10. I am going to repeat this step once again. I into 5 minus 18 minus j bar into 4 minus 12 plus k bar into 12 minus 10, which you are going to get it as 13 I bar minus. Here it becomes minus 8. So it becomes positive 8j bar plus 2k bar. Right? Now find the magnitude of that one. Mod B1 cross B2 is equals to root of 169 plus 64 plus 4. You simplify this and find out A2 bar minus A1 bar. 1 minus 1, 0 I bar, right? Minus 3 minus 2, which is equals to minus 5 j bar. 2 minus 3, it is minus k, right? Simplifying this and substitute this value, there is no need to simplify after that, means 5j minus k. Now, apply this value here, you are going to get the answer. Copy this one. See, we made a small mistake here. Observe once again. This is A1, right? This is not A2, no? This is B1, it becomes. I'm very sorry here. Observe. This is B1 bar. This is A2 and this is B2 bar. Now it becomes, I'm sorry, this is minus 3 and 2. A1 plus lambda B1, you should compare. A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar, right? So B1 becomes this. A2 bar, it is correct, and lambda B2 bar. So you are going to get the determinant value. You are going to get the determinant value different, which is equals to, I'm going to write here, I bar minus 3 minus 6, right? Minus j bar, you are going to get 1 minus 4 plus k bar into 3 plus 6, right? Now, which is equals to minus 9 I bar, right? Plus 3 J bar, right? Plus 9 K bar. And we will repeat the determinant here. I bar minus 3 minus 6 minus J bar 1 minus 4 plus K bar 3 plus 6. Okay, you are going to get this one. Now, the magnitude, it becomes root of 81 plus 9 plus 81, right? And after that, find out A2 bar minus A1 bar. A2 bar minus A1 bar. 4 minus 1, 3 I plus 3J plus 3K bar. Now, substitute in this one, you are going to get answer. We made a mistake here. That's why I insist you to compare with, observe this one. I am going right here. Comparing with R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar. R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu into B2 bar. Now it will be correct. Observe. You should write that one aside. This value becomes 3 root 19. And you can take 3 common, I plus J plus K here. And you are going to get the value as 9 by 3 into root 19 value. Simplify this, you are going to get 3 by root 19 answer. One more problem is there. Copy this one. See, you should write this one aside. Why? Because it becomes very problem while comparing. Even I made a mistake here. So you just write down this one after completion of this step. Copy this one. I hope you have copied that. Let me discuss next problem similar to this on the same concept. These are lengthy problems. If we do any mistake at once, you should check entire problem. So I insist you be careful while doing this problem. Find the shortest distance between the lines 1 minus t into I bar plus t minus 2 into j bar plus 3 minus 2t into k bar. I am going to repeat this line. 1 minus t into I plus t minus 2 into j plus 3 minus 2t into k and R bar is equals to 1 plus s into I bar plus 2s minus 1 into j bar minus 2s plus 1 into k bar. You can write this one as R bar is equals to, observe, I minus 2j plus 3k plus t into, this becomes minus I plus j minus 2k. I am going to repeat this once again. Observe, I minus 2j plus 3k plus t into minus I, okay, minus I plus j minus 2k. I took t outside, okay. You compare this with R bar is equals to A1 plus lambda B1 bar. A1 bar is equals to I minus 2j plus 3k bar, where B1 bar is equals to minus I plus j minus 2k bar, right? Next, you can write this one as R bar is equals to I minus j minus k, right, plus s common I bar plus 2j minus k. Sorry, this is minus 2k. I am going to repeat this once again. Observe, I minus j minus k plus s common I plus 2j minus 2k. Okay. Now compare this with R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu into B2 bar or S into B2 bar. Here T into A1 bar. Whatever you want, you can write, nothing issue. A2 bar is equals to I minus j minus k. B2 bar is equals to I plus 2j minus 2k. Right? Now find out the value of B1 cross B2 det of I j k minus 1 1 minus 2 1 2 minus 2, and which implies I bar into minus 2 plus 4 minus j bar into 2 plus 2, right, plus k bar into minus 2 minus 1. I am going to repeat this determinant once again. I bar minus 2 plus 4 minus j bar 2 plus 2, right? Plus k bar, excluding this minus 2 minus 1. You are going to, means the value is 2i bar, okay, minus 4j bar minus 3k bar, right? After that, find the magnitude of that one by using root of 2 square, 4 plus 16 plus 9. Understood? Now you are going to get 20 plus 9 root 29. Understood? Therefore, find out A2 bar minus A1 bar. A2 bar minus A1 bar value is equals to 1 minus 1, 0i, right? Minus 1 minus of minus. It becomes 3j. Minus of minus 2. I am repeating this one. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. It becomes j. Right? Minus 1 minus 3k. Minus k minus 3k. It becomes minus 4k. Now, d is equals to, apply in the formula, dot b1 cross b2 upon mod b1 cross b2. Right? You are going to get the answer. Copy this one slowly. You should get that value as the numerator is equals to 8 and the denominator is equals to root 29. This value is equals to 8. This value is equals to root 29. Already you have written here. I am going to repeat this once again. First of all, write down the given lines in the standard form. Why? Because the given lines that means the given lines are not in the standard form. What is the standard form? What is the standard form of a line? R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar, right? A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar. But here he has not given in terms of direct, that means in the standard form. So I am going to convert this like this and compare this one with A1 bar plus T into B1 bar. Why? Because T is variable, right? Scalar. You write down A1 and B1 here, right? After that, similarly, you convert this in the standard form, okay? So the same standard form becomes A2 plus S into B2, okay? Or A2 plus S into B2. A2 value and B2 value. After that, B1 cross B2 value is equals to determinant, and you expand the determinant, okay, you are going to get this value. After that, find out the magnitude of that one. You are going to get root 29 and copy this one. And we are writing in the formula. tomorrow I am going to give you the shortest distance theorem. That means shortest distance between two lines theorem that takes minimum half an hour to 1 hour because it is very lengthy theorem. Okay, so tomorrow we can see that, and problems in this exercise concern to lines in the space, right? Straight lines in the space have been completed. Only one theorem left aside. Tomorrow I am going to give you the proof of that one. Okay, and after that I am going to start planes. You copy this one slowly, and tomorrow I am going to discuss shortest distance between two lines theorem.